Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. December 6th, 2022. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn to tap out letter sounds. Next, we will know the parts of CVC words. Then, we will read a book. In addition, we will identify the characters, setting, and events. Last, we will do literacy centers. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's go ahead and look back and reread today's message. Remember, good readers reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point, and let's start with this abbreviation for the month. I see a capital letter DEC period. What does that abbreviation stand for? Do you know? It is December. If you remember that, great job. Let's reread the whole date this time. December 6th, 2022. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to reread the greeting. Before we reread it, notice how it starts with the word dear and has a capital letter D. Good writers write letters to people beginning with dear. And it always starts with an uppercase letter, and whoever they're writing the letter to, that person's name goes next, and the first letter of their name is a capital letter too. Let's reread the whole greeting again. Are you ready? Dear class family, after the greeting, I notice a special punctuation mark. It starts here and does a little curve. Do you know what that's called? It is a comma. Make it in the air. Ready? Remember, we're going to start on the line, do a little curve. All right, nice job. Let's go ahead and look at the first telling sentence. Before we reread it, notice the bigger space to indent. Good writers jumpstart their paragraphs by leaving a bigger finger space. Let's reread the first telling sentence. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and it's a terrific Tuesday. Look at the next sentence, and let's reread it. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that each day to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. Let's see how we're going to do this today in kindergarten. Oh, I noticed the transitional word first, and there's an uppercase letter F at the start of that sentence. Remember, good writers always capitalize the first letter in every sentence. Notice all of the capital letters as we are rereading our message for today. Let's go ahead and start with this transitional word first and read this sentence again. First, we will learn to tap out letter sounds. Oh, we will. We're going to actually use our word wall as a resource to review all of the ABCs and letters and sounds. Then we're going to tap out different words and sounds. We're going to be using our fingers to tap it out, and we're going to be doing head, shoulders, lap. Remember? Okay, let's go ahead and practice. For example, if we have up, cup, we would tap it up, cup, and then up, cup. Let's try 3 more to practice before we use music in class with CVC words to help us. Ready? We have at, bat. Let's tap it. At, bat. Let's do head, shoulders, lap. For the beginning sound, remember? At, bat. All right, 2 more to practice, and then we'll continue reading our message. At, hat. Tap it. At, hat. Now do head, shoulders, lap. At, hat. Great job. Okay, 1 more to practice, and then we'll continue reading our message. Bug, bug. Tap it. Bug, bug. Do head, shoulders, lap. Bug, bug. All right, we're going to be doing the CVC word song. We're going to be reviewing. We're going to be looking at our list of all of the different short vowel A, E, I, O, and U CVC words. Remember, CVC words, class family, consonant, vowel, consonant. All the black letters on our word wall are called consonants. All of the vowels have red in the background. Let's go ahead at this time and review the vowels that are going to be in the middle of these CVC words. Ready? We have A apple A, E ed E, I itch I, O octopus ah, and U up ah. All right, next we'll know the parts of CVC words. Okay, so just like we were practicing tapping out the word parts, we'll know the parts of CVC words. Okay, we're going to go ahead and review. We'll sing and dance. We'll use the tapping way. We'll do the head, shoulders, lap way and say the whole word. And we're going to be also using some different literacy centers with CVC words. We've got one with word families, and we also have some other things. We're going to be building words with magnetic letters. It'll be great. Okay, so then we will read a book. Oh, we will read a book. Remember, we read a book to read and understand and learn. We're going to be a great communicator. So when we are sharing our ideas, remember, I speak clearly for a reason, a way that helps others understand me. And you're going to be a great communicator as well as collaborator. I listen, ask questions so I can understand, and I respectfully listen to others. Okay, so in addition, we'll identify the characters, setting, and events. Remember, characters are creatures, animals, and people. The setting, it tells where and when the story takes place. And the events are the sequence of what happens in the story from beginning to the middle and end. All right, we're going to be looking back at actually, we're going to be reading a new gingerbread book. We're reading a lot of gingerbread books this week. And we'll be, for those of you who didn't finish, you'll be tracing your lowercase letters, your uppercase letters. You're going to be coloring and doing a sequencing of the gingerbread man. And you're going to get to start your He Can Run pattern book. We're going to be reading it and you're going to be coloring it. He can run from the little old lady. He can run from the little old man. He can run from the cow. He can run from the pig. He can run. Oh, he cannot run from the fox. All right, we're going to be going through this, and you're going to be coloring that at centers, and you'll be doing da-da-da, Alexia Core 5 reading program. It's going to be a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our do you like question of yes or no answers is dun-dun-dun. Do you like winter hats? Well, do you? Think about your answer, and we'll share why and be a great communicator. Do you like winter hats?